Doctor, dentists, and my dear friends. I'm your host Nikhil Vyas, the co-founder of the Education Network. In my previous videos, we have discussed the major advantages of doing medical PG from Germany. We have discussed the economical facts about Germany. I have anyhow highlighted some of the academic factors, settlement options, remuneration, social benefits and alliances, and we have compared the differences in the medical training pattern of Germany with reference to some of the English-speaking countries like US, UK, Canada, and even India. Now let us talk about a topic that will bring a instant smiles on the face of every Indian. You are correct, doctors. Let's talk about holidays in Germany. Germany believes in work life balance. The issues around finding the balance between family life, private life, and work are gaining increased attention in political and business circles in Europe and in Germany. Anyone working in Germany is legally entitled to time off for holidays, sickness, and care, as well as following the birth of a child. Talking about the occasions and leaves, let's talk about the public holidays. Except for German Unity Day on 3rd October, public holidays in Germany are determined by the federal states. Holidays are normally observed on their calendar date. The total public holidays adds up to around 30 including Christmas Day, occasions and festivities. Talking about casual leaves, today most collective wage agreements provide for holidays for 6 weeks or even more, and most employers give holiday pay. Talking about the working timetable, in Germany, about 4% of the employees work very long hours, but it is much less than the OECD average of 11%. Working time in Germany is mainly regulated by the Work Time Act. Working time is the time from the beginning to the end of work, not including any breaks. The maximum daily amount of working time must not exceed 10 hours. However, the law stipulates that the working hours on business days, that is, from Monday to Saturday, must not exceed an average of 8 working hours per day, that is 48 hours per week, over a period of 6 months or 24 weeks. Night work is defined as and when the employee works for at least 2 hours during the night between 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. and allowed for both men and women. As a doctor, you have a very happy working timetable where you work for 40 hours a week at the rate of 8 hours per day for 5 days a week, and any working time invested extra will be accordingly compensated for. Talking about medical leaves, in contrast to many countries, taking time off when you are sick is not frowned upon in Germany but accepted. If you have worked in your company for longer than 4 weeks, you are entitled to 6 weeks of statutory sick pay. After the 6-week period, you are entitled to sickness benefits. If you are unable to work due to illness, you will be covered by for up to 48 weeks, that is 1.5 years, either by your employer or by your health insurance provider. Talking about the maternity or the parental leave, during pregnancy, while working in Germany, you are legally entitled to 14 weeks maternity leave, that is, at least 6 weeks before and 8 weeks after childbirth. You are entitled to 18 weeks leave in the event of a premature birth, multiple births, or if your child is found to have a disability. New parents can also take parental leave. It can be availed simultaneously or separately. Parental leave is a legal entitlement to take off time from work, given to both mother and father. While taking parental leave, you can also claim the parental allowance to mitigate your loss of earning. Parents are free to decide themselves how much parental leave they wish to take. It can be taken anytime between your childbirth and their third birthday, that is up to 3 years. So these are some of the occasions and leaves you are entitled to avail in Germany, provided the situation demands it. So, friend, challenges are a part of life. In the difficult times of global pandemic, let's not lower our standards but increase the effort. Everything you do now is for your future. Think about that. An established and reputed mentor can handle and guide your path, ironing out any bumps that may emerge. We at the Education Network are a team of reputed mentors helping scores of doctors. I suggest all doctors to think wisely, research sensibly, and decide timely. And if you have any queries, you can reach us back and do follow us on Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I'm Nikhil Vai signing off, and I thank you all for watching. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.